the push stop campaign, we all know that we want to maximize the efficiency of our machine tools, and by doing that we need to consider work holding. And I've got Gio here who's going to go into a little bit more depth about the work holding we've got here before us on the MicroLocs. We'll be discussing the Kit 50, the Kit 75 and some of the deals that they've got on those. So let's discuss the Kit 75.
Well, with the Kit 75, basically what the 75 is referencing is the pitch from this slot to that slot, and exactly the same with the Kit 50. The solutions that MicroLoc offer, well, they're a very flexible and modular system. You've got 2 fixed jaws and 4 moving jaws. So effectively, you've got the fixed jaws in the middle. On this configuration here, you've got little stepped jaws holding on minimal excess material. You've got a stop and end stop here. You've got V jaws. The clamping forces are very high. You've got the base plate in which you can move the moving jaws or the fixed jaws around to give you that modular aspect dependent on the size of components that you're looking to hold.
But Gio, we're talking about solutions, problems to solutions. So what problem have I got in my workshop that requires me to need one of these?
The problem you've got in your workshop that requires you to have or invest in a MicroLoc system is that you're not utilising your machine tool to its full capabilities. You're not utilising the envelope of your machine tool. So effectively you may only be presenting one component to the spindle at one given time. What this solution does for you, it enables you to present multiple components to the spindle at once. These kits can also be banked up, so effectively you could bank another Kit 75 dependent on the x-axis of the machine and present 4 components, 8 components or even 12 components to the spindle. This is saving on tool change time, this is increasing the machine tool run time, which is giving you more components. You could be presenting lots of Op1s, Op2s, Op3s, Op4s, whatever the case may be. You can work in lots of different ways. You can be imaginative with the work that you've got.
Right, okay, Kit 75 will be telling you about the deals, but the Kit 50?
The Kit 50 effectively is exactly the same as the Kit 75, albeit it's been scaled down. Right. So if you were confident in the kind of size of work that you were doing, or if you had a small machine tool where you had a little bit of the machine tool that you were looking to utilise, you may have a rotary table on the right hand side of the machine tool, for example. The Kit 50 is again utilising that machine envelope, presenting even more components to the spindle in a secure manner, eliminating vibration, but also giving you that modular aspect that every machinist needs.
Look, I think there's going to be numerous questions that you need answering. Make sure you're contacting MicroLoc. Now the deals here, the Kit 75 is normally 3,000. That's down to 2,250 at the moment. And the Kit 50 is normally £2,000 and that's down to 1,500. So make sure you're getting on the phone and contacting them.